How to post anonymously in a group on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can post anonymously in a group on Facebook. Now to do so is quite simple and easy. First open up the Facebook app, and here what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen just below the messaging icon, and then tap on the groups option under all shortcuts. Now here head into your groups and you'll find your groups here. Now head into the group that you want to post anonymously, and I'll just head into this 101 confessions. Now remember, this option to post anonymously is only enabled when the group admin has turned the feature on. If the feature is turned off or is not available on the group, you won't be able to post anonymously. Now simply tap on write something option here, and here at the top of creating a post you can find the option post anonymously option. This settings is fully based on the group settings, and that has to be enabled or disabled by admin. So if the admin has turned it on, you'll find this option, or if not, you won't be able to find this option. Now so once here what you want to do is enable this post anonymously option here at the top right corner, and it'll ask you for notification pop-up here. Simply tap on I want to post anonymously, and the switch will be toggled on, and you can see you'll be posting as anonymous member. Simply write in or type in your post and just post it. So this way you can post anonymously in a group on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.